Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll guide you through the setup of the TP-Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender. This device offers an efficient way to extend your Wi-Fi coverage by utilizing your home's existing electrical wiring, ensuring a seamless internet connection in every room. Let's get started. First, let's unbox the TP-Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender. Inside the box, you'll find two devices, the Powerline adapter and the Powerline extender, along with two Ethernet cables and a user manual. Begin by plugging the Powerline adapter into a power outlet close to your router. Then, take one of the provided Ethernet cables and connect it from the adapter to your router's LAN port to establish a direct connection for proper setup. Next, plug the Powerline Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet in the area where you want to extend your Wi-Fi coverage. Now, it's time to pair the devices. Press the pair button on the Powerline adapter for 1 second, then within 2 minutes, press the pair button on the Wi-Fi extender for 1 second. The Powerline LED lights on both devices should turn solid green, indicating a successful connection. After pairing is complete, the extender will generate a new Wi-Fi network. You can find the default network name, SSID, and password printed on the label attached to the extender. Use these details to connect your devices to the extended network. Connect your phone, laptop, or any other device to the newly created Wi-Fi network. Look for the network name, SSID, you found on the extender's label and enter the default password to establish a stable and extended internet connection. To personalize your Wi-Fi network's name or password, download the TP-Link Tether app on your smartphone. Once installed, open the app and log in to your extender to access settings where you can easily modify and customize your network details. Alternatively, you can access the web interface by logging in through a browser. Once you're in the settings menu, you'll be able to effortlessly adjust the Wi-Fi network name and password according to your preferences for a personalized network experience. After the reset, you'll need to reconnect your TP-Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender to your network. You can follow the original setup process to pair it with your Powerline adapter and configure your Wi-Fi settings again. If you run into any problems or need help, our professional support team is available to assist you. Please don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for expert guidance. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. If you run into any problems or need help, our professional support team is available to assist you. Please don't hesitate to reach out at 323-471-3045 for expert guidance. Leave a comment below if you have any questions.